folks, we're back up here at Tutton Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram with female country rising star, Miss Ashley Brooks. Now Ashley, after the last time you and I met, we went over some of the other customs we have outside.
Yes.
I think we came up with a pretty good plan, right?
Yes, we did. I'm super excited to see all the stuff.
So we wanted to bring you back into the garage today to show you exactly what is going to go on this Jeep here. You ready?
I am ready.
We're going to start right here with the biggest one. What you're looking at here, this is a 35-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Boss MT surrounded on a Method HD
Love it.
simulated bead lock. And what do I mean by
Okay.
simulated bead lock? See the ring right here?
Yes.
We ordered this wheel, it came with a machined ring. I know you had mentioned the story about your dad and his nickname and all that, right?
Purple Wayne, shout out to Daddy-O.
Purple Wayne. So I think you said you wanted illusion purple, is that right?
Yes, I would love that if it's possible.
Good news for you. The ring that it was machined, that's going to give it that simulated bead lock look, is currently at our powder coat, getting the illusion purple put on it right now.
So
So
excited.
you're going to have it pop on this wheel.
Awesome.
Now as we move over, right next to it, the other biggest piece, this is a DV8 stubby front bumper. What you notice here, it's missing these panels up front. That is a vent. That is also at the powder coat to match that illusion purple, to match the wheel. Behind this mesh, you're going to see this from Rigid Industries.
Ooh, I love that.
This is a 20-inch full LED light bar. It will sit right back here behind that.
Love it.
Will light up everything in front of you.
Question,
Yes.
will it change colors also?
The
Besides
light
what?
bulb will change color.
Oh, okay.
See here on the box, it's got your purple, so you've got some options for colors.
Perfect. Awesome.
So the other lights you see up here from Rigid are actually going to go on the top of this. Let me see if I can get this thing to fold over. There we go. That's why it's steel. So you've got your pods here. These two are going to sit right on top. These have the ability to change color as well. Rigid Industries, one of the best in the business. We use them on a lot of our builds here with TG316 Customs. And then the last piece, the other thing we're adding to this bumper. Can't have a Jeep like this. Can't take it off-road with the ability to get stuck without having a winch.
Yes.
For you?
That has happened.
Has it?
Yes. Long time ago.
That happened to me too. The winch we're putting on here is a worn 12,000-pound winch. The front hook will also be powder coated that illusion purple to match the accents around your Jeep. Other piece on this, you see one already put on here. These are your D-rings in case you ever have to get pulled
Oh,
out.
yes. Purple.
You got it. Powder coated illusion purple to match.
Love it.
So, as you see, the other piece with these lights, you see two boxes sitting over here on the table for you. Not only are we doing it on the front bumper, we're going to do two mounted on your A-pillar.
Oh, so they're going to see me coming from a mile away.
You're going to
Pretty
stick
much.
out, which is exactly what we wanted with this build from what it sounded like last time.
Yes, absolutely.
So that's going to give you a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 in the light bar. 5 full LED lights around front with your factory LED headlights from Jeep.
Perfect. What about, I've seen some of these Jeeps that are glowing underneath. Is that what we're doing, or are we doing something else?
We really didn't talk about that last time, but good news is we've got 2 new products from XK Glow. Just came on the market. So to answer your question, yes, we have a full set of 16 Baja rock lights going underneath this. That will change colors. You can do purple, red, white, green, whatever you want. I'm going to bet purple to match all the other purple we got going on.
You got it. You know me already. You already knew I wanted that, didn't you?
I did.
You knew I would.
You can't have a Jeep. I've got it on mine. My 392's got rock lights underneath it too. So if you're going to do it right, you got to do it big. So when we talk about a tire this big, you see what's stock on this right now.
Yes.
This doesn't look like it's going to fit here, right? That's where we bring in these two pieces. Obviously, you've got your spring and your shocks. We're going with a full 2.5-inch Falcon Nexus suspension system.
Okay.
The other thing, the reason I have this spring here, because most people think, oh man, it's just a spring. We have this at powder coat as well.
Yay.
This will be illusion purple to match the rim,
Oh my god.
the bumper, the D-rings. You will have white and purple all over this Jeep.
I cannot wait. Literally everything that I could think of, you guys are doing it.
You wanted it big. You
Yes.
said you want to be seen driving around Nashville. You're going to drive around Nashville and everybody's going to know. There goes Ashley Brooks.
I'm excited.
We've got 2 more things for you. Number 1, since we're going with black accents, so with accent to black wheels, we've got our Oracle Flush LED taillights. These are blacked out. They will take off that factory bulky taillight. Look a lot cleaner there. Full LEDs in the back as well. The other thing, I mentioned there's 2 new products from XK Glow, right?
Yes.
Prize on the second one.
Surprise.
We're sitting here talking about all this stuff on the outside.
Right.
We haven't talked about anything on the inside.
Inside.
So on the inside, because you went with the Sahara, you've already got your leather, you got your heated seats, you got your heated steering wheel, you've got your big 12-inch screen.
Yes.
Around that 12-inch screen from XK Glow is an LED strip that we're going to put in this Jeep for you that will completely change colors. It will sync up to your rock lights.
Oh my gosh.
And the best part is they will sync up to the Bluetooth in your car, and they will strobe as the beat of the music goes.
Oh my gosh. So any song that I'm playing,
You're going to stand up.
can I even wait for this? How long is this going to take? Make it happen. I'm ready.
Well, the good news here, we built these things pretty quick, so we're not too far out from this thing being in.